In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process, step by step, on how to create a YouTube automation video using AI and other free tools. We'll cover everything from choosing the right tools to adding those personal touches that make your content stand out. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to start producing high-quality, automated videos that not only engage viewers but also have the potential to grow your channel. I'm really excited to dive into this with you, sharing all the insights I've gathered to make the process easier and more effective. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or someone looking to refine their workflow, this video has something for everyone. So let's jump right in and get started on creating your first automated YouTube video. When it comes to creating YouTube content, one of my favorite niches to explore is ancient history. So to walk you through the full process, I'll demonstrate by creating a YouTube automation video centered around the captivating topic of ancient Egypt. This will give you a clear example of how to bring a subject to life. But remember, you can use the same approach to make videos on virtually any niche you're passionate about. The formula I'll teach you in this video is adaptable and works for a wide range of subjects. Now, let's dive into the essential steps and bring this video concept to life. The first thing we need is the script, which serves as the backbone of our video. A strong, well-organized script keeps the content structured, engaging, and easy for viewers to follow. For this, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the script. So here we are on ChatGPT, and I'll type in, create a script for a YouTube video about ancient Egypt and the rise of their empire. After pressing enter, within seconds, ChatGPT generates a detailed, ready-to-use script. It's incredible how quickly it can produce high-quality content. This is truly one of the biggest time savers in the video automation process. Now that we have our script, the next step is to create the voiceover, which will bring the words to life and add depth to the visuals. For our voiceover, I'll be utilizing AI once again. This time, I'll use a free tool called Clipchamp, which is still somewhat under the radar but incredibly effective for this purpose. Clipchamp provides a variety of voice options, allowing you to choose one that best suits the tone and style of your content. To get started, we'll select the record and create option, and then navigate to the text-to-speech feature. I've chosen a voice called Tony. I'll copy my intro text, paste it into the text box, and adjust the voice pitch slightly to see how it sounds. Here's how it goes.
Hello, fellow history enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where today we embark on an exciting journey through time to explore the ancient civilization of Egypt. In this episode, we delve into the fascinating topic of ancient Egypt's rise to power and the birth of their mighty empire.
And just like that, we have our first audio segment. It's super easy and takes only a few seconds to save it to media. This voiceover section is about 28 seconds long, providing a solid foundation for our video. Now let's discuss the editing phase, which is crucial to bringing everything together. There are various options available for this step. Platforms like InVideo and Pictory can help automate much of the video creation process, making it easier and faster. However, as many experienced creators will tell you, fully AI-generated videos often fall short in terms of quality. If someone claims that YouTube automation is just about pressing a button and producing a flawless video, they're definitely exaggerating. Achieving high-quality content typically requires some manual editing, particularly in areas like pacing, selecting visuals, and syncing the audio with the voiceover. But don't worry, I'll guide you through how to streamline this editing process so that it's quick and straightforward, aiming for a completion time of no more than 5 to 10 minutes. Let's get started on refining our video. For the editing software, I'll use CapCut, a popular tool that's free and accessible. Now, let's head over to CapCut. The first thing we'll do is drag our AI-generated voiceover file into the timeline. Right-click on it, select Separate Audio, and then delete the black screen that appears. Now we have only the audio in our timeline. At this stage, it's time to add visuals to our video. You can find high-quality, free stock footage on sites like Pixabay, Pexels, and Freepik. I'll search for some videos related to ancient Egypt and start adding them to my timeline. This step is very manageable and should take only a few minutes. Just open a few stock footage websites and download relevant content. If your video is about planets, for instance, you could search for videos related to space. You can even add graphics or animations if you're feeling creative. Once I have a set of stock videos, I'll start arranging them in the timeline to match the narration. A good rule of thumb for YouTube videos is to keep switching up the visuals every 3 to 4 seconds to maintain viewer engagement. This helps with both watch time and retention, as viewers are more likely to stay engaged when they're continuously presented with new visuals. With the visuals in place, I'll go through the timeline to make sure the clips flow smoothly and fit with the AI narration. For example, if my voiceover mentions the rise of Egypt's mighty empire, I'll ensure that the accompanying visuals emphasize that theme. At this stage, my main goal is to create a clear, aesthetically pleasing video that keeps viewers interested. Next, I'm going to add a short intro clip to the video. Since I opened with "Welcome to the channel," I want to create a branded intro to reinforce that greeting. Canva is a great tool for this. I'll go to Canva, search for YouTube video intro, and pick a template that matches the theme of the video. I can customize it by changing the text and graphics. For instance, I'll add Ancient Egypt to the title, then shorten the intro to about 4 seconds, download it, and insert it at the beginning of the timeline. Once you have a customized intro, you can easily reuse it for other videos. Adding captions can also enhance the video, as it caters to viewers who prefer to watch videos without sound. In CapCut, I'll go to the text option, select Auto Captions, and generate captions for the entire voiceover. You don't have to display captions throughout the entire video, so feel free to adjust or delete parts where they aren't needed. This tool makes it easy to add text quickly and lets you fine-tune the captions as needed. Now that we have the narration, visuals, and captions set up, it's time to bring everything together with background music. Adding the right music can enhance the atmosphere and reinforce the tone of your video, making it more engaging for viewers. Canva offers a royalty-free audio library with a wide range of options from uplifting to dramatic tunes. Additionally, sites like Pixabay and Pexels also provide free-to-use audio tracks that can fit various themes and moods. When selecting music, think about how it complements the story and pace of your video. Once you've found the perfect track, import it into CapCut and adjust the volume. Lowering the audio slightly will ensure that the narration remains clear and doesn't get drowned out by the background music. Finally, I'll wrap things up by creating a captivating thumbnail and crafting an optimized title. The title is crucial for attracting viewers, so I recommend using a tool like VidiQ to help identify popular keywords and trending topics within your niche. VidiQ provides valuable insights into competitive video ideas, helping you find the right words to enhance your video's reach. Additionally, it's helpful to research titles of similar videos to get a sense of what performs well in your genre. Look for specific keywords and phrases that align with your content and speak to your target audience's interests. A well-optimized title paired with an eye-catching thumbnail can significantly boost your video's chances of being noticed. To design an eye-catching thumbnail, I'll take advantage of Blue Willow, a free AI art generator on Discord. Although still in its beta phase, Blue Willow offers impressive capabilities for producing high-quality, visually striking images. After joining the beta, I'll input a prompt to create an image titled "Ancient Egypt Epic Rise of an Empire," which should capture an inspiring and cinematic feel suitable for a thumbnail. Once I get a version that looks just right, I'll download it, ensuring it's polished and engaging to grab viewers' attention. If a clean, plain thumbnail feels impactful enough, then sticking with it can be a great choice. But if you want to add a little extra emphasis, you can upload the image to Canva and overlay bold text, such as "Rise of an Empire." Using Canva's customization tools, you can adjust font style, size, and effects to make the text pop against the background. Adding shadows, outlines, or contrasting colors can help the text stand out, ensuring it captures attention and enhances the thumbnail's overall appeal. So that's the core process of creating an automated YouTube video using AI and free tools. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a comment below. I look forward to growing with you on this journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.